they tend to create things. But me and Oni do talk. We have a very good he's the head of all kings in Yoruba land. That's the source. So it doesn't matter what anybody says. Ife is the source of all crowns. Ife, that's where Oduduwa live and God is crowned for. Every other king that is from ancient town is a prince from Ife. I am a prince. Every other crown that you see, and there is an ancient crown in Yoruba land, is a prince from Ife. So, the crown is wearing is the father of all the crowns. So, it doesn't matter what anybody says. It doesn't matter where you go. I'm establishing myself in my domain. And I'm doing it wonderful. I'm writing my own history. It doesn't matter. Oromio has written his own history. As a great king. But he can be greater than his grandfather. Hey, about Benny. Ọwa Ọ̀ràngún these are I'm writing my own history now, and I'm writing my own history. I'm moving in time, and I will be one of the greatest kings. I'm an emperor now, so I'm one of the greatest kings. Yes, and after